everybody, so today is just going to be a really simple video. It's just going to be a video of me packaging my Etsy orders. I recently watched a montage of somebody just packaging Etsy orders here on YouTube and I really liked it, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to do this myself because maybe my viewers will enjoy it. So if you sell on Etsy or you just have any e-commerce website, maybe you guys can get some ideas from this video of how I package my orders. I know I learned a lot from the video that I watched, so I don't know, let me know if you guys enjoy this. Maybe I'll do more videos like this. Also, I'm going to link down in the description box to a video where I actually go in depth on how I package my orders, so you can get links to where I got all the product I use to package my orders, and just any video I've done here on my channel that sort of has to do with like shipping or packaging orders. So check the description box if you are having any questions, or just leave a comment down below and I'll answer your questions for you. So enjoy. that is it. That is my packing Etsy orders montage. So now that it's the end of the video, you know what time it is. It is time for my Patreon shoutouts. First up is Essence of Nature over on Etsy. Stardust Bath & Body at stardustbathandbody.com. As of right now, her website's not live, but go over there, type in your email, and get notified when it goes live. Also, go follow her over at Stardust Bath & Body on Instagram. Nature's Farm Girl at naturesfarmgirl.com. Kennedy's Essentials at kennedysessentials.net. LettsBlend at letsblend.bigcartel.com. Creative with Love at creativewithlove.com. Trina's Jewelry Box over on Etsy. And then Wildflower at wildflowerwildflower.com. I'll have all their websites linked down in the description box so you guys can go find them and maybe purchase some things from them. Also, if you didn't know, I have an Etsy shop myself where I sell natural skincare products. I'll have my shop linked down in the description box and in the corner so it's easy for you guys to find. So hope you all enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision. Now I'm on a mission to find myself.